Hey guys, welcome back to hashtag Poevember 24. Today is day 28. The prompt for today is love. This is Priscilla at releasethecraftin. And you guys, this one's going to be really quick. I did not plan for it to be really quick, but it's going to be very, very quick. Because I wanted to go back to those coffin dies and revisit them a little bit. And I also was like, hey, you've been using a lot of the girlies for this. Why don't you use a guy? So I picked out an image from that stage and screen kit. And then was like, I love this. I think he looks like somebody you might have some romantic feelings for. And then I was like, okay, let's make a little like specimen coffin sort of situation, and maybe keep it as like a little testament to longing and love and those sorts of things. And then I was like, let's just go off the deep end and make it like a crazy obsessive love-struck vampire situation. And that's where we are. That's what we ended up with. And it turned out it came together a lot faster than I thought, and I couldn't think of other ways to make it more without just making another one entirely. And yeah, this video is going to be super quick, and I'm sorry for that. I wanted to hang out a little bit longer today with you guys, but I am really happy with how this came out. I do really like it. So I'm just going to trace over my final image with my little coffin there so I know exactly what to cut out. And look how handsome this guy is. I don't know who he is, but he was super little handsome for back in the day. And I'm going to stick him down. And then we're going to pop that frame on there. And really, this is super simple, super straightforward. I think it's a really good way to use these fun, like, shapes and stuff that you have. Because you can make these, like, little cards out of any shape. I have, like, crinkly cut-out shapes that I think would also work really well for stuff like this. And I'll probably come back and revisit this idea multiple times because this was super easy to put together, like I said. I went around with some black ink to sort of give it like a vignette feel. Even when we put the little frame on it, you're still going to be able to see it. And then I'm coming through with my little sanding tool to just scuff up the picture and make it look a little bit older. Like this has been a very long standing love because I wanted this to be obsessive love. And then I, you know, crimsoned it up with a little bit of red ink just to like make it filthier. For this vampire. And then I decided that the bat was too big because this tag turned out to be a lot smaller than I anticipated. But the hand was perfect. So, it's got like extra long nails. It looks like it's reaching out, grasping at the love that was lost, perhaps, or a love that never was. And we popped a little frame on. And bada bing, bada boom. That's it. Yeah, right? No, we have to do some more because I didn't want to let those bats go to waste. But I ended up only being able to fit one on there because two was looking a little bit silly. So I decided to go around with some of that red wax to do more of our accent color, give it a little pop, make the tag look a little more finished, and then we're going to add our bat to the thing. So definitely laying down some vampire vibes with this one, for sure. That was intentional. And then I have this little Poe quote sheet, which is actually a Patreon reward at some point when I post it on Patreon. It's going to Patreon. It's not going anywhere else. That I'm using, and I just cut out a little bit about love there. So that, you know, it would fit the prompt. And that's it. That was all I could think of. That's my tag for the day. So come back tomorrow, see what we do for the second to last day of Poevember 24. Make sure you're following the hashtags so you can see what everybody else is making, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one. Until then, I appreciate your faces. Happy crafting, guys. Bye!